Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Binance gift cards with PayPal. We will go through the entire process, from finding a reliable seller to successfully redeeming your gift card. This method offers a convenient way to fund your Binance account or send crypto to friends and family. It is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps, ensuring a smooth transaction every time. To begin, you will need to find a trusted seller on a peer-to-peer marketplace. These platforms connect buyers and sellers directly, allowing for various payment options, including PayPal. Always prioritize sellers with a strong reputation, indicated by many successful trades and excellent feedback. This due diligence helps ensure a secure and reliable transaction, protecting your funds and personal information throughout the process. Once you have selected a seller, initiate a trade request for the desired gift card amount. Double-check all the terms and conditions, including the exchange rate and any fees. After confirming, send the payment using PayPal, ensuring you follow the platform's instructions precisely. The seller will then release the Binance gift card code to you, typically within a few minutes of payment confirmation. Finally, it is time to redeem your new Binance gift card. Log into your Binance account and locate the gift card section, usually found under the Finance or Wallet menu. Enter the unique 16-digit code you received from the seller into the redemption field. The value of the gift card will be credited to your Binance Spot wallet almost instantly, ready for trading or withdrawal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.